Hello, I'm in a 2016 Jeep Wrangler, and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So most vehicles there's like a release in here, but this one does not have one. So let's go through the front, and then each side's got one of these. Same thing on this side. And then most models have like another release right in the middle here. So this one's like here, so we're going to push it that way while we lift. It should be a little loose like this if you got these side clamps open. And that's it. That's what that looks like. And check for any debris, make sure it's tight and straight. If it's super tight for this part, you might need some WD-40 to loosen it. And it's just hooked onto that right there. Say if your hood's a little out of alignment, that might be causing issues too. That's it. And then just reverse everything to close it. But anyways, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a great day.